Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing how to interior detail a car. Let's see this RAV4 we're working with today. As we get started, we're going to be using 4 products: an interior cleaner, an APC cleaner, a neutralizer, and a carpet cleaner. These 4 products are the only products I have used in this video. They will be linked in the description below. The first step that we will do, we will get a garbage bag and we will put all the large items and trash into this garbage bag. Usually separating trash and personal items is a good thing to do, but for this vehicle, everything left in the car is trash. Step 2, we'll be using an air compressor and a vortex gun to blow out all the cracks and crevices. Step 3. This is when we do our first vacuum. Step 4, we'll be using a steamer to steam clean the center console, the cup holders, and the seats as well.
How much you got to clean inside?
Depends on the package. Step 5, we'll be doing a light wipe down with the microfiber. Step 6, we'll be double backing with the air compressor vortex, and also we'll be double backing with the vacuum. We do this process to make sure we have thoroughly got everything up before the next step. Step 7, we'll be putting down our first layer of carpet cleaner. This carpet cleaner we are using in a pump sprayer to spray all over the carpet. Step 8, we'll use a drill brush to agitate the carpets. As you can see, we are using the red brush. The red brush is more aggressive and coarse. Step 9, we'll be using a hot water extractor to extract the carpets. For step 10, we'll be repeating step 8 and 9 just with a rinse neutralizer. A rinse neutralizer's purposes is to rinse and neutralize after using the carpet cleaner. This leaves a good finish and rinses out the carpet cleaner. Step 11, we'll be using an APC to clean down the interior door jambs and to make sure the door panels are clean as well. Step 12, we'll be cleaning the glass and making sure the interior is wrapped up.